Hello, hello. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Ready to show up and give an A plus performance, trade well, and make sure that whatever, if every trade is a loser today, what will make today a win? And for me, that is walking away, no matter the outcome, and closing it and remembering that there's multiple days. So that's it. Just gonna now start opening the charts and getting started. Do so, guys. Um, anyone here know? I was gonna ask, how is your trading going? Here we have after yesterday's sweep. I mean, we had a crazy sweep, but look how we closed. Like buyers just stepped in near the end of the day and closed strong. And we played the wick test on ES and NQ. A little bit slight divergence. We had PPI get released today. So yeah, you can see like from yesterday we had that little grind up. We broke that resistance, and that resistance was still protected. But yeah, anyways, we broke it. Buyers slowly started moving lower, actually pretty aggressively, and we then had a huge sweep, and buyers stepped in and just completely bought that dip. And already having, I mean, like we had this multi-top, and sellers already stacking up on the top. Same goes for NQ. I will say that like ES moves technically sounder than an NQ in my opinion. Sorry, I'm yawning. So really that's it. Like on ES, if we keep flushing, this area is interesting right now. Lower than that, I mean, we could play till here, but I mean, yeah, then we just start forming a range, and if we form that range, it's not bad. It just shows that the market's ready to slow down, maybe. We'll see. Then here, we're just above that fair value gap, but the fair value gap has already been played, and even beyond that. So maybe a retest here. Just watch. I think this is where the 1 hour will be a little bit more helpful to see, okay, where did we react? Are we gonna react at this pre-market session? Are we gonna react to the this is the 100 EMA. Double check, yeah, 100 EMA. And NQ, same stuff that I'm looking at, like how will we react here? Maybe we're just cleaning some of this pre-market liquidity, and maybe NQ showing greater strength right now. So okay, let's get to the 50-minute and 30-minute. So VIX is still high. Yesterday we touched a high of 19, and we're now at 18.3. So on 30-minute, yeah, so it'll be how we react here. The market's trying to get there. Maybe it won't. Maybe it'll be front run. So that's what I'm gonna look at. Like on this 30-minute. And yeah, okay, that's okay. Sorry, so yeah, that was, you can see ES already actually played it. Okay. Okay, ES is continuing to flush. NQ showing a little bit greater strength. If we stay under this 200 EMA, it'll be kind of bearish. If we don't, then let's see what happens then. Okay, let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. I have to clean my nose. 1 sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. So on the 5 minute, we can see that from yesterday we reacted to yesterday's valley area. We're below that, but also showing some support. Well, ES actually flushed to this area, right? Yeah, ES flushed to this area and found support on valley area high. So okay, that makes more technical sense than what I was saying from the higher time frame. This is why valley area is very important. I think everyone should have their volume profile to give them these clues. And we can see that NQ just honestly just pushed lower and played valley area. Played point of control. And yeah, that's it for now there. So let me, oh wait, there's no point to do that. Let me log in first because it resets anyways. Okay, good. So yeah, we can see actually front run point of control. But overall, sellers have been strong, but buyers did a nice cup. Actually did a full cup. Now we're gonna chop. It's actually a cup, I think. That's the handle. Sorry. I don't know. My nose is running, my eyes are itchy, and I'm coughing. Well, that's my first cough. I'm not gonna make it a bigger deal than that. Okay. Yeah, same structure here, but definitely a bigger pull down. And look at this, the pushback on here is just much worse. You did feel that low volume node, play VWAP, kind of played this area, this level, and then we got valley area here. So let's see. Gonna be looking. I'm actually gonna, yeah, I'm gonna add some of these just in case. So new low on NQ. There's a player point of control. Okay. Strong close. There's a player point of control. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the right move of this. And buyer stepping. Yeah, I like at the point of control and low volume order here at the same time. Sellers continue to push lower. Strong flush. Front to run it a bit. No, we broke it nicely. Clean move, honestly. Very clean. The wick test in the pre-market session is at 56. Reacting to the 100 EMA on ES. Getting continuation. Buyers stepping in. Liquidity higher. Very strong reaction. Very strong reaction. I did not expect it to be that powerful. Okay, sellers have stepped in. Even this move can work. Yeah. A little bit of transactions here. Yeah, that was wrong. Should have just waited. I don't know. That was dumb. I know better than that. That was dumb. Okay. Really strong movement overall though, like crazy. Like a 60-point ripper. Second leg. And that move there made so much sense. I don't know why I acted on that last. It's like, when you make trades like that, it's just like, why? Oh god. And there's the play. All I had to do was simply, I don't know what was going through my head right there though, seriously. Like, no, not trying to get mad at myself, but like, really, you're keeping your order as you think it's like, look, there's a few seconds, very likely it's gonna just test this, retrace back, and then do the move. Like, why are you acting so impulsively on that? Like, that was dumb, man. You should have just been a little bit more patient. A little bit more patient. Like, what? That's frustrating. That's frustrating, honestly. Literally, all I had to do is just be like, no, I'm not gonna act here because it's gonna react to this level, and it's gonna retrace back down, and then it's gonna make the move. Why am I reacting? Like, I was so like ready for that buyer to step in, like, oh my god, and then just this beautiful move. Okay, that was not proud of my reaction, but that's being real with you guys. I'm just frustrated by that, especially because like 100%, like, could have been more patient, could have played that better. I'm just disappointed, but it is what it is. I just messed up on the execution very badly. I messed up. Why am I don't get it. I don't know why my brain thought, it just feels like an override. And it's just frustrating when like when you do things like this, because the thing is like, now I'm feeling regret because like, look at this play back up. It's like, I don't know why I'm feeling like, I could tell that I'm maybe not in the best state of mind, because like, first you execute right here when the candle's about to close at the level, thinking it's gonna like just break to, like, you should have just been like, you know what, even if you thought this was gonna play, you should just not enter right away. Let the noise happen. That's why I'm mad. Let the noise happen, then limit in or whatever, even if that happened, or just fucking, sorry, should I not say it? Okay, or just simply look at that, look at the next move, play to VWAP, play to the EMA, play to Valley area. There's so much other opportunities. It's like, it's an unnecessary loss on such a easy, yes, this was a little bit more confusing, but then, I mean, it's really strong, man, really strong. Did not expect it to be so strong. But yeah, I mean, that's really it. Like, I'm frustrated by that. But I mean, it's just frustrating, like, seriously. Because I know I got slipped, and I know it's a little dumb trade, and I could have played this 100 times better. It is what it is, man. Okay. Annoying. Okay, let's see the slippage. 20. 2 points of slippage. Wow. That's not good. Well, it's just like, that just adds to the like, wow. Man. I'm like really reacting to this negatively. Just the fact that I entered on like such a trade that could have been so much better. I'm just trying to like go back in that moment to be like, what? I think what engaged me is that order flow looked like it was about to break, right? But then I kept my order. Like, why though? Like, and what is my risk? My risk is so random too. Actually, was it above the low volume? No, let me just double check. Yeah, my risk was so random. I mean, I had low volume, no protection, but still, like, this could have been played so much better. Oh my god. Just simply let it react to the level, then wait 30 seconds more and then play it. Like a big loss with slippage, just so you. That really hurt. That really hurt. Ooh, that really hurt. Just like Jesus, that trade was so upsetting. I was so upsetting. Really upsetting. Like, what is that? Okay. Okay, I mean, I'm done. I can't do much about it. I have to wait till tomorrow. But now I'm just like, I don't know. It's one trade. It's one mistake, 100%. I'm like too focused on it. It's just, I guess I'm just really frustrated by that trade. Like, what was I doing? Like, why did I do that? Like, I get it. The order flow looked like it was about to break out. But it's just, I know better. It's few seconds left on this candle. Yes, it could break out, but why are you putting so much on the line? And then you keep your order when you could have just been like, you know what? Let the candle close. And look how the candle closed. Literally from where you bought. I think I bought here. I can't really show you because, and I got slipped extra 10 points. So I basically, like, it moved 17 points lower, but I got slipped 2 points. I got exit here. And now it's playing a low volume mode again. But yikes, man. It's just like, this back and forth, and just like, I guess it's just getting on my nerves because yesterday I had 2 wins, but I couldn't claim the second full size because like of my rules, which is my rules. I'm not, why should I complain about that? But then today I literally take a trade that could have literally been a little bit more patient, and that makes me upset to do that. You know, that makes me upset. And now I'm back to one trade. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just go. Like, there's nothing I can do in the moment. I'm just complaining. I'm complaining because what did I just do? Like, really, why aren't I getting in so on the last second? You know, like, that's just not something I should be doing. Okay. We grow, we improve, and we just move forward. In the market, definitely has opportunities right now. But I can't be just complaining here. Like, I mean, it was dumb, but it's not like we don't do dumb things. It's not like we don't make mistakes. We're not perfect. Yeah, that's it. We're not perfect. We're just trying to grow. We're trying to improve. And I mean, this back and forth is just part of the game, like, you know. But it's also, it's a main lesson. Like, this could have definitely been I could watch this again and again and just be like this could have been executed so much better. That I'm repeating myself, so I'm not gonna say it again, but that's what I'll leave it at. Like, just that. I mean, the mistake, I guess it's just that I was too convicted to enter at that moment, because I let one clue, order flow, to determine like, okay, it's gonna break. But even if it's gonna break, it's not a valid entry on the last few seconds of the candle. I was not thinking about that. And it was a little bit too rushed, and then it immediately, I think honestly, it's that, but it's also just that I got into the trade and I was so focused on the order flow that then I was realizing, okay, wait, what did I just do? There's like few seconds left on this candle. My stop loss is in a random placement, and then boom, I'm stomped out, and then it doesn't move, right? I think that's also something on my mind, is just that, like, it's like almost as if the moment I took the trade, I was just like, what did I do? Like, so it doesn't feel like I really was in controlling taking that high quality trade. I just felt like I let one clue determine, which was order flow. I mean, it was basically, I don't remember what time I took the trade. I don't know, something here. Actually, what time was it? It was at 45. So 51. So it was here. This was it. This was the pop. So we had that strong move, right? Sellers after that retrace. So we broke out, very strong breakout, Fill liquidity, slowed down, had a little bit of retracement, and then buyers are stepping in cleanly. And then we had a little bit of I said like we're consolidating a bit. Aggressive seller stepped in, and aggressive buyer stepped in. And when this aggressive buyer stepped in, I was like, buy. And that was dumb. Because like look, what I think actually just happened is that these two were transacting. Like this seller was absorbed, but this buyer was absorbed. And then we had a little bit of the retracement, literally a very healthy retracement, and then actually did the move to where I wanted to get to, and just continue higher, and now we're where we are. So lessons. Medium apple. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's because I was like maybe sleepy. Like, what caused me to just like get onto that trade? And I guess the order. But anyways, I'm gonna have to do my own research. But it's just. I think if I would be really frank and just like as like honest as possible, I think it's just the fact that like it's just accumulation of the fact that I'm like had a rough 2 weeks in the sense that I'm break even. I'm positive by $500, which is like not even half an hour. It's like 0.25 an hour. So it's that, but then it's also just the fact that you know, these little things like this make it harder for me to get where I need to get. And today, I mean, this week, Monday was a loss. Tuesday was a win, but I got slipped, so I got in a second trade, and that was a winner. But I couldn't like get the full 2,000. If I did, it would have been like a huge winner. But my rules are there to protect me. But I'm not gonna change that. Like at the end of the day, like I think that was the right call. And then today it's like just it's just I think it's identity again. It's just the fact that I really knew I could have executed on that so much better, but I didn't. And that's like the only downside, because of course I'm gonna now live with the $2,500 loss, not 2,000. Give me the extra 2 points of slippage, and now tomorrow I'm gonna have to show up and be like, okay, here I am again. And like, I mean, tomorrow's my last day too, I think. Yeah, it will be my last day. So I'll break even again on this week. If I win. If I don't show up tomorrow, I'll be down 1 hour from this week. If I show up tomorrow and I lose, the warrior's done. So let's see what happens. I really don't want to blow up, of course. Like, I don't. Blow up is a really, is the wrong word. I'm just hitting my trailing threshold. I have profit. Like, I have been trading consistently, but it's just that my trailing threshold, right? Which makes this a whole lot harder. But yeah. Now, yeah, let's just see what happens tomorrow. Like, I'm not proud of this trade that I took today. But if I show up tomorrow and I trade well, I think it's still appropriate for me to graduate. But I feel like that's a little bit of urgency, I'll be honest with you. Is that I have to watch out for that, because yes, I'm gonna graduate to 11 contracts, but like going to 20 points, is that really right? Or like taking 2 trades, is that really right? Like, that's because That's because, like, you know why I think that's happening too is because of closure. The fact that I took that loss today, right? And I can't do anything about it because my rules prevent me to take another trade. So I take that loss, and I know very well I could take another trade and make it back because it's easy movement right now, you know? And just being okay with the fact that you're taking a loss with slippage is mentally a little bit more difficult. But yeah. Okay, guys, I'm out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I think 80% chance I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah. Honestly, I think I will be here, but I'll give it an 80. And yeah, like, I just really want to take a good trade tomorrow. Like, today's trade was just, it was nasty. Like, really, I wouldn't even say it was a C trade. Technically it was a C trade, which I mean is my grading, like an A trade. Like, a thesis was there, just the entry was just garbage. You don't get in, so like, you know very well it's gonna pump. That buyer who stepped in pumped it to the level, reacted to the level, and then immediately got absorbed by sellers, and then retraced back to a more comfortable area, and then did the breakout, you know? So I don't know why I didn't think of that. I think I was just so like, oh, this buyer stepping in, we're gonna break. Like, no. And even if it did, that's not worth the risk. Like, there's other moves. So I think there's a little bit of FOMO too. The fact that it was moving so aggressively that I thought that it would play. I don't know, maybe. Anyways. Okay, I'm done. Okay, see you guys. I'm out. I give myself some time to breathe and chill about it. This definitely affected me more than it should have, but I think it's just the fact that of the trade, like, you know, could have been 100% better. But yeah. Also kind of sucks that I have to wait literally 2 days for the captions for this video to fully get ready, which is a little bit frustrating. I just kind of wish it was faster, because I want to dissect this video because I say so many important things and then I have to wait. Anyways, okay, see you guys, take care, peace.